In this video, we're going to learn how to show and hide safe margins, which are visual guides that help you keep important content within safe viewing areas. Safe margins are important when adding text, titles, or graphics. They make sure important elements don't get too close to the edges of the screen. Let's start. Look at the program monitor where your video preview is displayed. At the bottom of the program monitor, click on the wrench icon, which opens the settings menu. From the list, find and click on Safe Margins. As soon as you enable it, you'll see rectangular guides appear on your screen. These guides show the outer area, which represents the action safe zone, the inner area, which represents the title safe zone. When placing text or important graphics, they keep them inside the inner safe margin to ensure they are fully visible on all screens. If you want to hide the guides, simply click the wrench icon again and uncheck Safe Margins. Safe margins do not appear in your final export. They are only visual guides to help during editing. And that's it. You now know how to show and hide safe margins in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.